to the channel. So today we have another wig review. Yay! So today is kind of special because this is going to be my 4-year anniversary here on YouTube. Yay! So thank y'all so much for 4 years here on YouTube. So today I am collabing with Sam's Beauty. I'm going to bring you guys a unit from I think it's it's from the Butter Lace collection. This one here is going to be Butter Lace Loose Curl 32. So this is the box that it comes in. So it looks like it's a long one. It's waves. I'm here for it. Y'all know I'm here for some long hair. I got it in one of the flamboyage colors. What I am loving about the flamboyage colors is that a lot of it is mixed throughout and it's just not in the front. So that's really cute. So here is the care card that comes along with it. Let's take that out so y'all can see it. I hope everybody had a good Valentine's Day. You guys, I have been kind of on a little bit of a hiatus. So yeah, I have not posted in probably a few weeks. But yeah, we are back. We are back to it. So this is going to be the care card that goes along with it. And yeah, 32 inches loose away. So this one here is loose curly 32, and I have it in balayage. I have it in a balayage gold. So this is it. This is the color of it, and like I said, it is a balayage gold, and as you can see, you get a couple sprout, like few pieces of the gold throughout. I love the balayage color, I think, more than the flamboyage. The balayage seems to be throughout, and I think the flamboyage is just in the front. I do like my front highlights, but yeah, I'm seeming to like this a little bit better. This hair is so soft, you guys. Like, it feels super, super, super soft. Look for this one, and she's really pretty. I'm absolutely loving all of this gold color that is blended throughout. I love the wave slash curl pattern on this one. I like that it's a little messy, but it's also tamed. I feel like this top layer here can get like messy because it has the gold in it, but then underneath, when you pull it up, let me let you guys see. You see how here it's like kind of tamed. Now, I didn't comb the back or underneath out because I like that look. So yeah, I like that. I don't really have any cons. You guys know all these middle parts, like I usually try to get them straight, but I don't know. I just always feel like I have a hard time getting it like dead in the middle. I'm more of a left side part, so I feel like I always take it over a little bit, but otherwise, you know, this one's pretty. It's very soft. I love that it's soft as well, and that is not textured. I wouldn't have wanted this one textured. I feel like if it was textured, it would get even bigger. This can get as big as you probably want. If you don't want it to get that big, then obviously, you know, don't play in it like I have been. But I love this top layer, so I wanted to like kind of play in it so you could see more like of the gold or whatever. But yeah, I like it. I wasn't sure with it being this long, but I feel like they got the density right. They got everything right on this. So you're gonna have to tie this down. I did tie the middle part down some, you guys, just so that you know, it could lay a little bit flatter. I did have to pull it up. I don't know if I have the adjustable straps in the back tight or if it's just my head is big. It could be the latter, but I feel like I had to pull it up a little bit more because my edges was coming out on the side. Now I didn't glue this down or spray it down all the way. I just did it like from here to here because it's the middle part. But yeah, if you wanted to, you get enough lace to make it look really good, and the hairline looks pretty good on this. So yeah, I actually really like this. It kind of reminds me of that peanut butter color. It's like called PB, I think 1B27, which is one of my favorite colors, like blends. It kind of reminds me of that. But yeah, this color is really, really pretty. So you guys, let me know what you think about the wig. Do you have this one? Is it one you're gonna get? Are you tired of the middle part wigs? Let me know, let me know. I feel like this is the time to wear it. It's cold outside or cool here, so like it's okay. But I feel like in the summer, as long as I can get under a wig in the summer, I'll wear it. Let me know if you guys like it. Do you have it? Are you picking it up? She's definitely a looker. I feel like she's a looker. Like, yeah, she's cute. She's cute. You know, if I get giddy, that means she's a cute one. Appreciate you guys watching today. Thanks again to all the support over the years. You guys, as I mentioned, this is my 4-year anniversary today. So I'm super, super, super excited to be able to hang around and stick around for 4 years here on the YT. And I appreciate you guys being here with me. So thank y'all so much. If you haven't subscribed, you know the spiel. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel. For my return subscribers and my YouTube babes, hey girl, hey, how y'all doing? Thank y'all for pulling up on a sister. Stay to the end of the video. I appreciate it. Drop me a comment below in the comment section. I'll leave you guys a link to Sam's Beauty. Thanks again to them for collabing with me today. I appreciate it. Always nice working with you guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye.